Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you a new mining project which is called Offline Protocol. So basically they build foundational infrastructure and privacy first apps for offline communication, payments, news and identity. And this project is built on the base network, so that's another positive sign. And as for the funding, they already raised 1.55 million and are backed by some top names such as Alliance DAO, Portal Ventures and some others. I'll show you how you can join and start mining. But before I show you how you can participate, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, for all updates regarding airdrops and crypto news, make sure to join our Telegram channel. I'll provide all the links in the description, so check them out. So I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you can find this app link. So after landing on the Play Store, you need to install the app first. After that, open the app. Then click on Get Started. Then click on Continue. Then again click on Continue. Then again click on Continue. Now it asks you to enter your email, so enter your email, then click on Continue. Then it asks you to verify your email, so check your email for the code, then enter the code here. And then when you first create your account, it asks for some permissions, so grant them all. And then you are set to go. So go to the Earn section. And here you'll find some missions. So you can complete them by starting your mining and completing tasks. Then click here on the profile section. Then click on the account section. And here at the bottom, you have the option to link your social accounts. So try to connect them all. Then here you need to link your new wallet. So I'd select MetaMask here. Then click on connect. So if it fails, then you can try several times and hope it will connect. And then finally, the main task, you need to start mining by tapping here. Then it asks to give location permission, so allow it. Then go back and again tap here. And then it asks you to turn on your Bluetooth connection. So click on Open Bluetooth Settings. Then turn on Bluetooth. Then here you'll see your mining will be started. So keep your mining status running and return regularly to maintain activity. Also click on the profile section and then click on referral code. Then you'll find your code which you can copy and share with friends. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.